How to send a transaction with Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can send a transaction with Trust Wallet. Well, to send a cryptocurrency transaction from Trust Wallet, you want to first go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet and log into your account or wallet. Once you're logged in, you want to simply head over to the Assets tab. In my case, I don't have any, so it's not giving any option, but at the home page as well, you'll be able to find the send option. You can tap on send and then select the cryptocurrency that you like to select. In my case, I don't have any cryptocurrency, but once you select the crypto you want to send, simply tap on send, and then it'll ask you to enter in the recipient's details or address. You want to get the recipient's address, in which wallet you want to send, and you want to get that wallet address and paste it or copy paste it here, and then you'll be able to send it. So this is how we can send a transaction or send a crypto using Trust Wallet. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.